Often seen as a small-scale keyboard that lacks a numpad and a function row, the 60% keyboard provides a balance of accessibility and minimalism. These small-scale units have been a rather popular choice, and it's not hard to see why. But if you had to choose, which one of these keyboards should you go for? In our video today, we've made a list of the best 60% keyboards you should check out right now. So without further ado, let's begin. First up, let's talk about EXA Glimmer, a beautiful mechanical keyboard that comes with a ton of features to be excited about. The red mechanical switches in this keyboard feature a nice and satisfying clicky feeling for your fingers, being relatively durable with a 50 million keystroke lifespan. The Glimmer would be the perfect pick for the office or for gamers. The ergonomic build of this keyboard supports simultaneous key presses without any kind of conflict, which we found to be particularly effective in optimizing our gaming experiences. The keyboard is also able to connect itself to multiple devices through Bluetooth 5.0, with a range of 10 meters maximum. And of course, to top it all off, EXA Glimmer comes with a rechargeable lithium battery, which can be fully charged in 2 hours with the attached Type-C cable, and can last for 36 days on 2.4G connection and 18 days on Bluetooth, making the Glimmer a solid pick for both office and gaming. Up next, we have the K65 from Royal Kludge, the first generation of triple mode keyboards, being the best fit for either a smartphone, a laptop, or a tablet. Being a 60% mechanical keyboard, the K65 is compact, comes with 61 keys, and provides a ton of space for your table, making it yet another prime pick for FPS gamers. The keys you see are hot swappable and allow you to replace 3-pin or 5-pin switches without having to deal with any soldering issues, ensuring you get to make your own personalized, unique keyboard. The keyboard also comes with a high-capacity battery, ensuring you can use the keyboard for about 13 hours with the backlight cranked down, with a standby time of 360 hours. Royal Kludge has always been a top choice for keyboard enthusiasts and collectors alike, and the K65 shows off exactly why. From SteelSeries, the HyperX Pro Mini Wireless comes with full-sized functionality, alongside a premium aluminum top plate with a detachable USB-C connection. Being fully customizable and blindingly fast in terms of performance, the keyboard uses OmniPoint 2.0 adjustable hypermagnetic switches combined with rapid triggers that help to completely eliminate any kind of latencies that could arise from the physical movement of the switch. Speaking of keys, they come with 40 levels of per-key actuation, enhancing the overall personalization and prioritizing keys based on pressure sensitivity. With pressure-sensitive keys, you can easily make use of these 2-in-1 action keys, such as pressing lightly walk and deep press for sprinting. For connectivity, you'll be getting lag-free Quantum 2.0 dual wireless with a 2.4 GHz wireless connection alongside Bluetooth 5.0, and a battery life of 30 hours with USB-C and 40 hours using Bluetooth. Razer, though, has always had a reputation for not backing down without a fight, and the Huntsman Mini is an exemplary example of this. The keyboard comes with analog optical switches, resulting in an impressive amount of speed and control. You'll also get rapid trigger mode, a feature you can customize through Razer Synapse. You'll also get double-shot PBT keycaps that provide a greater level of durability, alongside Razer's signature onboard memory and customizable lighting presets through Razer Chroma. The whole keyboard is crafted out of aluminum, and it's built to be robust enough to withstand long hours or intense usage without giving you any kind of performance hiccups. Now, if you're looking for a mid-range 60% keyboard that provides a solid gameplay and typing experience, Oben's Lab has your back with Oben Pro 2. With personalization as an inert priority, Oben Pro 2 allows you to put your own custom keycaps and craft a keyboard completely unique to you. The Oben Pro 2 comes with a relatively minimal design that requires a lot less hand movement, all while making sure you're able to access all functionalities. The keyboard's minimal form factor makes sure it saves desk space, it's easy to carry around, and fits perfectly in your backpack. Reliable Bluetooth connectivity ensures wireless Bluetooth connection up to 4 devices, which you can switch seamlessly from back and forth. And of course, you'll get full access to Oben's Skit software that simplifies the way you set up your own key layout, lighting, and macros, ensuring the personalization isn't only visual, but also hands-on. While Razer and SteelSeries offer in-depth customization, the K65 RGB Mini is a straightforward budget pick that prioritizes gaming performance over anything else. The keyboard comes with Cherry MX switches, which you can swap the Cherry MX speeds for when you prefer a feather-light actuation force. The high-quality PBT keycaps come with a bit of texture, ensuring a satisfying grip on the keys, with clear legends that allow the RGB light to shine through. And of course, you'll be getting access to Corsair's proprietary IQ software, which means you can easily sync up your lighting effects with other Corsair products in your arsenal. After all, being in an ecosystem does come with its perks. Last but not least, HyperX has always had a reputation for coming with great gaming peripherals, and the Alloy Origin 60 is another example of why they are so reliable. Being relatively cheaper than most keyboards on this list, the keyboard comes with flip-out feet that offer more than a few different incline settings and give a new layer of personalization. While it doesn't offer a monstrous pulling rate, it comes with a durable, full aluminum body and HyperX custom-tuned switches balanced for speed and performance with an 80 million key press lifecycle. And of course, with HyperX, you'll be getting access to advanced customization through HyperX Ingenuity software, and tinker with the keyboard to your heart's content. So those were our picks for the 7 best 60% keyboards you should not miss out on. Which one of these keyboards would you be going with, and why? Do let us know, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.